How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to show you guys our newest vehicle here. It's hard to get in the whole shot. It is a 1968 Triumph Bonneville, 650 Bonneville. It's obviously been turned into a chopper. We did not do that, but someone did it seemingly back in the day. It has a cool vibe going on that we really liked. You see it's called the Sludge Trap. It's got a few aftermarket things done to the engine. We have yet to look inside it, but cleaned out the carbs and thought we'd do a nice cold start. See what you guys think of that. See a cool oil tank, twin carbs, cool aluminum finned exhaust, twisted steel front pegs there, and of course a springer. You get Andrew to hold the camera. There's Andrew. Oh, I probably messed that up.
Alright.
Should turn the gas on first.
Yeah. Doing it in bare feet.
Yeah. Probably.
Well, we'll see.
Guy said to give it a couple kicks at the rearward position of the switch. We don't know if that's true or not, but it's worked good. So, while it's filling up the float bowls, might as well do that. Tickle the carbs.
There goes tickling the curbs. Tickle them until they weep a little bit.
Yep.
Let's see how she goes. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay.
Seems to be a piece of a T.
Yeah, that's weird.
A little bit loud. As there's no mufflers, just straight pipe. But it's good.
Super loud, so we can't let it run too long, or we'll get the police called on us.
Well,
Probably, maybe.
probably
Kinda.
not. There's a lot of loud Harleys around here, so, you know, we just don't want to piss our neighbors off.
Yep.
But, yeah, if you like the Triumph here and you want to see some more videos of it, and, you know, we certainly want to make some more videos, and, you know, gonna ride her around. We got to do a few things to get her legal for the road. Just, you know, wire up the lights and put some signals on there, and it should be pretty good. So, yeah, if you enjoyed our videos and you like what we got and what we got going on and stuff, like and comment, subscribe, and hope you enjoyed our 68 Triumph chopper. Have a good day.